Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix cannot connect PS5 portal to PlayStation 5, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys have to do, and this is very important, you have to go to settings, you have to go down to system, and then go to remote play. From remote play, you basically just want to click on enable remote play, and then whatever account you're going to be connecting your PlayStation to, your PS Portal to, you want to just use that account. And then once you do that, you want to go to your PS Portal and you want to just press X, which is like the connect. It should say connect, and then you just press X, and then you wait for it to connect. Another thing to keep in mind, and what I recommend doing, is that you use the same Wi-Fi. So for your PlayStation Portal, when you're like setting it up, you can use like the same Wi-Fi connection, the same as the one you're using on your PlayStation 5 and your on your PS Portal. And another thing to keep in mind is that you have to make sure that you're connecting to the same PS5. So like if you do have more than one PlayStation 5 in your like area, so just make sure that it's connected to the right one. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.